been the outcome of the proceedings?
After completion of 14 days of police custody, they were produced before Honorable Court, and Honorable had passed an order to send them to the judicial custody in jail.
All the 5 have been produced?
Yes, all had been produced, and they were sent to the judicial custody.
Were there any bail petition moved by any of
No,
the
no one has filed any bail petition. Even then, they have not get the certified copy of the court case matter.
Did the SIT ask for further custody for the people who they could have taken in custody? There were 3 people whom they could have asked for further custody.
For today? No. Today, no, they didn't want it. They already 14 is over. There no provision to another extended order 14 days custody. Another custody is not in order. No rule is there.
Also, there has been some concern raised in the court about the security and safety of the accused inside the prison. The court has given some direction on this. If we can.
That have to be done. No? That is the duty of the jail authority also. How to secure them now. There is full security is there. Court has direction to full security, and not only every facility should be given to the accused person in the jail custody. The court has given the direction. This is the rule.
Have they given specifics in terms of what are the facilities and what kind of security has to be given?
No. There is no any. They have not given any direction. What type of facility they will get in the jail. What about the rule, normal procedure of the jail manual? As per the jail manual, they have received all the facilities.
Since there is another case registered against Shyamkanu Mohanto, 19/2025, which has been.
It is under ED.
ED. So any chances of
ED has not applied for. He has not applied for judicial custody of their custody. They have not applied for that. Okay.
Also, any direction in terms of keeping this accused in prison outside the state?
It is the duty of the investigating officer. No? Investigation is now going on. If there are feelings of security, then CID or SIT may apply to the Honorable Court. They want to shift from central jail to other court. That is their duty. After their filing petition, Honorable Court has to give a good decision.
Thank you. Okay. So,